Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about subtract 16 or less. Your classwork is on page 345, 346. Oh, hi minus sign. And your homework is on page 348, questions 1 and 2. This is a minus sign. Say hi for the minus. Oh my god, did you see its big mouth? We use minus sign to subtract. What is subtraction? Is taking one number away. Okay, you are taking it away from another. You will use minus sign. You can see it has a big mouth. It likes to eat number. So your number, your whole, you see, will get smaller. It's like when you eat your sandwich. So your sandwich will get smaller. Always remember, the answer will get smaller. Now, how I will know I will use subtraction? I can use many keywords like missing, lost, take away, fly, how many are left, how many still, and you can use the word go, went, eat, okay? All these words tell you that you'll use minus sign. Now, subtraction or the minus need some ways to help to subtract. Like what? Like, okay, minus, take it easy. Like doubles, oh my god. When my whole, like on this case, has two sons, you see they are what? The same. So if the minus come and eat one of the of these boys, okay, the other part will left with me. It's the same number, so no need to count them on my fingers. I know 18 minus 9 equals 9. Okay, I can use also count back. You can use count back if you have one step, two steps, three steps. Okay, it's easy here to go backward. Like if I'm saying for you 9 minus 1. Okay, what comes after before 9, sorry, before, go back one step, what comes before it? 8. So the answer is 8. You see, it's very easy. Now you always can use count on, this way. You will count from the small number to the big number. Okay, you can always use it. And we will not forget about 0, subtracting 0. Like here I have 2 bears, I didn't take anything from them. How many are left with me? 2. I will have the same number. Okay, so this is a family of number 15. How I can put them together? Put them together, have them together. When I said 7 plus 8, amazing. You can put them together if you will say 7 plus 8. What you will have? The whole big number, which is 15. Now, of course, 7 and 8 are not listening to their daddy. He told them don't go outside the house. But 7 did not listen. It went outside the house. Who will take it away? Minus. Excellent. So, no more 7. How many are left with me now? 8. Amazing. So 8 is what left with me. Now, if let's try to erase it. Okay, sorry. If now 8 went out, okay, 8 went out, what will left with me? 7. Yes, the other part. Okay, remember, minus can use doubles, when I have the same parts here, okay? I can count back if it's 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, and I always use count on. Okay, count from the small number to the big number. Let's see some examples here. If I said 13 minus 6, think about it. Is it doubles? No. Can I count back? Yes, but also I can use, it's not 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps. I can count from the small number to the big number. I have here 13, that means it's 10 and 3. Okay, so I can take this 3 away. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Count after 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the answer will be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, sorry, I missed one. 13. The answer will be 7. Okay, now I have 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6. What this 6 and 12? What they are? Yes, they are doubles. Don't think immediately. The other one will be 6. 60 minus 2. It's only 2 steps. 2 steps to the back. What before 16? 15. 14. Amazing. So the answer is 14. I use count back. 14 minus 1. It's only 1 step to the back, right? What before 14? 13. Amazing. Now 15 minus 0. Nothing. You didn't subtract anything. It's subtracting 0. The answer will be 15. Amazing. Now, again, if I have a family like this one, again, 15, 7, and 8, okay? Remember, if I'm gonna use minus to take away one of the family member, if they, like here, 8 went outside the house, so the 8 is missing. Who took it? The minus. Always ask yourself, who took this number away? When I say the word away, go out, the minus. It likes to eat numbers, okay? Keep this secret in your mind. The answer will be 7. Okay? So, I always start with what? Whole big number. I will take a part and what I call the answer, like here, difference. Okay, let's see. If I said 15 minus 7. Okay, on this case, 7 went out. What will be left with me? 8. When it went out, the minus come and eat. It ate the 7 away. Okay, no more 7. What left with me? 8. Now, please open your math book, page 345. How you can write 345? How you write it? 300, 300s, 40, like 4 in the tens, and 5 in the ones. Can you write it in expanded form? You remember the expanded form? You'll put plus sign. 300s plus 40 plus 5. Okay, can I ask you a question? Is this odd or even number? Remember, I have 5 in the ones. If I'll draw it, it will be what? There is 1 left alone. I will call it odd, right? So it's an odd number. Now, back to our lesson. What the question said, draw counters for the whole. Okay, remember, you will draw the whole and then you will take away a part. Circle the part that is taken away. Please circle the word away, the word subtract. Okay, my whole on this case is 16. I draw 16. You know the 10 frame, if it's full, there are 10 counters inside it. No need to count them. I know they are 10. And I will draw 6 outside this frame. Okay, I'll start to take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I like to cross them out. It's easy for me to see that I take them away. How many are left with me? You can see this 10 frame. I take away from it 1, so the answer is 9. Okay, on this case I have 15 minus 6. So how I will draw 15? Yes, of course, you will put 10 on inside this 10 frame. You know, this 10 frame is 10. No need to count. This is 10. Now count after 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, how many I will take away? I'll take away 6. So of course this 5. I'll start with this 5 outside the frame. 5 and 1 from inside the frame. How many are left with me now? You can say 10 minus 1. The answer is 9. Okay, 9. Now please go to page 346. You know how to write 346, right? 346. If you think about this number, is it odd or even? 6. I have 6 here, so it's what? I can put them, sorry, in groups of 2. So my answer, they are even. Okay, let's back to our lesson. Subtract, use 10 frame and counters to help. Okay, subtract 15 minus 9. I have 9. Is this doubles? No. Can I use count back? No, I will count back 9 steps. I will forget what I'm doing. So what is the best way to count from the small number to the big number? Count after 9. 9, 10. Okay, if I'm using the 10 frame, this is a 10. Count after 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what is the answer? How many fingers did you use? I cannot draw my fingers, so I'm drawing this sticks instead of my fingers. How many fingers did you use? 6 fingers. Amazing. 13 minus 5. Is it doubles? No. Can I count back? Yes, I can, but it's easy for me to count from the small number to the big number. If it's easy for you to count back, you can count back. Count after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10, and you need 3 steps here. 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers did you open? Count your fingers. 8. Amazing. Okay, you use 8. How you check your answer? You remember? You will walk on this direction. You will put these two numbers together, 8 and 5, 13. Yes, my answer is correct. Okay, 8 and 5 is 13. My answer is correct. Now let's subtract here. 16 minus 9. Again, they are not doubles. It's not easy for me to count back, so I will count after 9, 10, and I need 6 steps. 6 more steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they are not 6. Okay. So count after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers? 7. Amazing. How to check your answer? Take these two small numbers together, 7 and 9, and the answer is 16. Yes, my answer is correct. Again, 15 minus 6, they are not doubles. It's not easy for you to count back. It's okay. So count after 6. Count after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, and you need 5 steps more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So how many fingers? 9 fingers. How to check your answer? How I'm gonna check your answer? As a teacher, I will go from down to up, flipping this minus sign into plus. Put these two numbers together. 6 and 9 equals 15. Yes, correct. 13 minus 9. count after 9. Let's do it. 9, 10. It needs 1 to become 10. And you have here 3. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers? 4. Okay, how to check your answer? Take 9 and 4 together. And the answer is 13. Thank you. See you later.